All right. Text before. This is my data set. It is done. It's based on the same data set from the analyzed data. The difference is that I used some concatenation here. So about text before. If I want to bring the year, I just use text before, text here, the symbol that it's being used as a delimiter, and oh, something wrong. Let's see. This is the text. This is the symbol. And let's see what is being done here. Text before. I was telling to Marcelo Diaz, something happens during some demonstrations. So I just copied the symbol from here inside, and voila. It's exactly the same symbol. If I use as a function, as piece of the table, I have all the years here and done. All right. I could also make it to be more complex if I decided to use the instance number, which is here. Maybe I don't want the first field, I want the second. So I could use here second, but of course I would need to put another piece of function here to bring the components. For example, I could use the text after about this thing here. So for those who are familiar to use only one function on the small formulas, the trick is to cut what is working. Then you write text before. No, text before I did already, text after. The separator, the same symbol here. And the formula will be the previous. Just to avoid errors, I will use a copy and paste here on the symbol. Then I have the components here. So I'm using text before with text after to focus on my target, all right? So I have text before here as well. This is a number of a company. In case I want to pick this part here, I just use text before and the symbol, simple slash, then voila. Same to the name, all right? And I have something else here. This example, which is already done, I'm using on this example the if not found, because if I just split something here, which is not available, we have this ugly result. So if I don't have a space on the name like this, since I'm using the if not found as blank, I don't have the ugly result here. The same will happen to the text after. They are sisters. The functions are very similar.